back with another video today. So today what we're doing on this channel is I had to go buy my wife a Banshee. So if y'all following me on Atlanta_Banshee or Facebook, y'all already know this. But if y'all not, I had to. I was actually building this bike right here, which I ain't did no videos on that bike yet. Those videos will be coming soon. She seen the bike and she wasn't having it. So y'all know how that go. All right, so I had to go get her a bike ASAP. So today what we doing is I'm gonna show y'all the parts that I took off. We actually about to leave the garage and take them to the powder coating guy so he can get it done, all right? So I'm gonna bring my wife in so she can tell y'all a little bit about what she doing on her bike. All right, guys, as y'all can see, May is coming out. And I told y'all, this is how a garage look when we working, all right? This is how it look. Oh, there go the bike right there. But May is right here. Let's follow May out. So what you got to tell these people, May?
Well.
What you taking?
Definitely got to take my frame. Definitely got to take this, right? Get this powder coated.
Okay.
My grab bar. Let me see.
Don't mind the
axle.
trash, y'all.
My axle. Yep. And hold on. I need the steering column. Don't let that fall. All right. And then
You need to steer stem.
Yeah. And then my spindles and stuff right here.
What's
my
the
swing
stuff?
Arm.
Where your swing arm at?
Right here. It's my swing arm. It's all nice and clean and ready to be.
I don't know what she got in her hand, y'all.
Oh.
We don't promote that.
My bad. I'm sorry. I was cleaning up. Okay.
And what you got here?
My spindles over here.
You got what?
My spindles, right?
Okay.
That's what that is, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
What else you got? Your hubs.
Oh yeah, my hubs, of course, because these gotta get real pretty for me.
Okay. The carrier.
The carrier. Yeah.
Well, May is loading all her parts. I ain't helping her. Bad husband, but hey, it's okay. It's okay, shouty. Yep, got our parts in.
What?
You driving?
Come on, you driving. I'm getting in the back.
Why I gotta drive?
I'm getting the part back with my parts.
So y'all hear that? I'm getting back with her parts.
Yeah, I gotta make sure they make it safe. You can drive.
Once again, we do not promote that on this page. Drop her parts off. As y'all can see, she wasn't playing. She literally in the back of the truck, as y'all can see. So we finna go to the powder coating guy. We finna go to the powder coating guy. Excuse the sound on this video, but I'm gonna show y'all that the thirst is real. Really real, all right? Y'all see her in the back. She really riding in the back. Go get her parts done. She's still on back of the truck, guys. We done made it to the powder coating guy house. I didn't show y'all the footage while we was on the highway. Didn't want to lose my phone. It's expensive as fuck, but she's still there. We done made it all the way to the powder coating house guy. Powder coating guy house. As you can see, we got the powder coating guy riding his bike. We at the shop, guys. We drop these parts off. showing y'all a little bit of this purple thing. For the wife rushed me out the garage, so we're gonna get all the way in on it. I said y'all was gonna see this garage real time, so if y'all see anything laying around, it is what it is. That's gonna be a bad bite. Except maybe the gas tank. But everything else, y'all hear my son in the background, being loud. This, that other thing, we finna bust down too. This will be coming y'all way in a second. Nice reveal. Told y'all to creep. Y'all see baby always creeping around. You what? That's baby, y'all. Creep. Alright, gang. Alright, gang, that's gonna conclude the video for the day. Oh no, it ain't. Forgot to show y'all these pods.